Hello my friends! We are going to make a rain stick on a rainy day. This is a good activity for kids and families to do together using common household items. First, we need to take our paper towel roll and we need to put a piece of plastic on one end of the roll. Then we're going to anchor it down with a rubber band so that we have it nice and sturdy. Then we're going to put some kind of filler inside the paper towel roll. I have some nice stones in my backyard that I like to use. And it's not a bad idea to try to use something like small pieces of paper just to kind of dampen the sound and slow the stones down a little bit. Now once those are all inside, we put the plastic wrap on the other side and we put a rubber band in place to keep it nice and sturdy so that we don't have our stones falling out. Let's test it to see what it sounds like. Okay, that's a nice rain stick sound. And if we want to, we can decorate our rain stick using a piece of paper. You can see that I've already used some markers to decorate my paper with smiley faces, peace signs, musical notes, and hearts. And then we can roll the paper around our paper towel rain stick and tape it in place. Probably a good idea to have mom or a dad or a grandma or a grandpa helping to cut out the paper using the scissors and with the whole project all the way through. So there you have it. This is my homemade rain stick. I hope you have fun making your rain stick, and good luck.